Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and those that are in the European Economic Area are lucky in Windows, and I wish those features would come here. And I'll put this video as a daily rant. The fact that Microsoft refuses to give us here the same type of advantages that they have over there. So first of all, one of the things you could do is uninstall Edge. You can uninstall the Microsoft Store also, as it is on pretty much every app that Microsoft has in its Windows operating system are uninstallable. And so people just have to go to the app list and, uninstall whatever apps they want to uninstall. And this is a little sad that we don't have that here, because what happens is that most of the apps, so if you go at Microsoft Edge, for example, you'll see that the Microsoft Edge browser does not have an uninstall button. It's grayed out. Same thing with Microsoft Store. It, will not be uninstallable. And this is something that a lot of people are asking, actually. And not only that, there's also the possibility of search. When you click the search on Windows 11, you're always stuck with whatever Bing wants to bring you. And if you clean up and remove the stuff you don't want, you're still stuck with results or answers that might include Bing search. And in Europe, you can change that. In Europe, you can choose the web search you want. For example, if you wanted to have DuckDuckGo in the search and the file explorer, and in the web search for Windows 11, you could have DuckDuckGo and have results from there instead. So I just want to rant at Microsoft that they actually forced you over there to do it. Well, I'm sorry, you should do it for everybody. You should also have all of this available to us wherever you are around the world, honestly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.